the velvet night, a whisper begins to play, a symphony that echoes through the galaxy's ballet. The stars align in perfect harmony, singing a lullaby for every dreamer and child. Sound of the stars, oh celestial choir, your cosmic melody fuels our desire to aspire. In this vast universe where we all reside, the star sound is my eternal guide. Celestial bodies dance in a dazzling display. Each note they play sets the night sky ablaze. Stardust whispers tales of ancient time in every twinkle and shimmering rhyme. Sound of the stars, your music knows no bounds. Across galaxies, in silence it resounds, a symphony that unites us so. Underneath the starlight's enchanting call, planets spin with a wisdom so profound. In their orbit, secrets of ages are found. Through nebulae and comets in flight, the stars sing stories from day to night. Sound of the stars, your voice is divine, echoing through space on an endless line. A cosmic serenade that weaves us all tight. In this grand universe, a celestial sight, galaxies spiraling in the dark sky's embrace. Each star has its own unique grace, their music intertwined with cosmic dust, a symphony of love and trust. Sound of the stars, your soul never fades. Through black holes and supernovas it waits, your celestial chorus resonates so deep. In our hearts, forever we'll keep. From Andromeda to Orion's belt, every star has a tale to tell. Their music echoes in the cosmic sea, the testament of eternity.